Stop translating. Start thinking. Today, 99 sentences from beginner to advanced to train your brain to speak English directly. No translating. Say every sentence out loud. Let's go. Level A1, Beginner. Simple everyday reactions. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Let's eat. Let's eat. I forgot my phone. I forgot my phone. Turn it down, please. Turn it down, please. I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. It's cold outside. It's cold outside. I woke up late. I woke up late. This is too strong. This is too strong. Let's stay in. Let's stay in. I don't get it. I don't get it. Wait a second. Wait a second. That was close. That was close. Where are my keys? Where are my keys? I almost remember it. I almost remember it. Let's split it. Let's split it. I'm running late. I'm running late. Can I open this? Can I open this? That's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. No rush. No rush. I need a nap. I need a nap. It's fine, don't worry. It's fine, don't worry. Let me think. Let me think. I forgot to reply. I forgot to reply. Good plan. Good plan. I'm still adjusting. I'm still adjusting. Say that again? Say that again? I'm tired. I'm tired. That's cheap. That's cheap. Let's meet in the middle. Let's meet in the middle. Makes sense. Makes sense. Something feels wrong. Something feels wrong. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Great start. These are the reactions you use every day. Once these feel automatic, move on. Level B1, Intermediate, Opinions and Small Decisions. I'd rather stay home. I'd rather stay home. Honestly, I wasn't expecting that. Honestly, I wasn't expecting that. Depends how you see it. Depends how you see it. I meant to ask you. I meant to ask you. I'm not sure anymore. I'm not sure anymore. I'm stuck between two choices. I'm stuck between two choices. Easier said than done. Easier said than done. I see it differently. I see it differently. I just don't have time. I just don't have time. Something came up. Something came up. Let's not rush this. Let's not rush this. I changed my mind. I changed my mind. That surprised me. That surprised me. I'll deal with it later. I'll deal with it later. There's more to this. There's more to this. I'm still processing it. I'm still processing it. Maybe we should wait. Maybe we should wait. I wouldn't count on it. I wouldn't count on it. It's growing on me. It's growing on me. I see both sides. I see both sides. This isn't over. This isn't over. I don't want drama. I don't want drama. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. I lean toward the first one. I lean toward the first one. It slipped my mind. It slipped my mind. I'll think about it. I'll think about it. That explains it. That explains it. No need to make a fuss. No need to make a fuss. It didn't go smoothly. It didn't go smoothly. I have mixed feelings. I have mixed feelings. Let's pause this topic. Let's pause this topic. I think so, not sure. I think so, not sure. I'm getting used to it. I'm getting used to it. Good work. These carry small opinions. This is how real conversations move. Level C1. Advanced. Deeper thoughts, short sentences. Freedom brings responsibility. Freedom brings responsibility. I question if it's realistic. I question if it's realistic. Timing mattered more than the choice. Timing mattered more than the choice. No one owned up to it. No one owned up to it. Confidence can look like arrogance. Confidence can look like arrogance. Success is really about consistency. Success is really about consistency. It's easy to judge from outside. It's easy to judge from outside. We lack direction, not resources. We lack direction, not resources. Silence doesn't need to be filled. Silence doesn't need to be filled. Living with a choice is the hard part. Living with a choice is the hard part. Small choices shape the future. Small choices shape the future. I didn't prepare for what came next. I didn't prepare for what came next. Experience changes minds, not arguments. Experience changes minds, not arguments. One talk can shift everything. One talk can shift everything. Context shapes common sense. Context shapes common sense. I've changed more than I thought. I've changed more than I thought. Failure should teach you something. Failure should teach you something. Busy isn't the same as productive. Busy isn't the same as productive. Disagreement doesn't mean confusion. Disagreement doesn't mean confusion. Old habits once protected you. Old habits once protected you. Questions shape us more than answers. Questions shape us more than answers. Most of it comes down to choice. Most of it comes down to choice. Patience can hide frustration. Patience can hide frustration. Clarity comes after action. Clarity comes after action. Get comfortable with discomfort. Get comfortable with discomfort. Trust builds in small moments. Trust builds in small moments. Change your environment, not just your will. Change your environment, not just your will. I'm learning to accept uncertainty. I'm learning to accept uncertainty. Assuming causes most misunderstandings. Assuming causes most misunderstandings. Self-talk shapes how you treat others. Self-talk shapes how you treat others. What you do with time matters most. What you do with time matters most. Adjust the plan when it fails. Adjust the plan when it fails. Progress was never a straight line. Progress was never a straight line. That's all 99. Beginner to advanced without a single translation. That's the training. A 1 to C1, 99 sentences, all built to make you think in English, not translate it. Practice this daily and it'll start to feel automatic. If this helped, subscribe. New sets every week. See you in the next one.